Tsangyang Gyatso Sowa Dev Soshende Lundrupsho. I pray that the wishes of His Holiness, the 14th Dalai Lama, be fulfilled spontaneously without any hindrance. With these as my pre-aspirations, may I now pay homage to Venerable Yangten Rinpoche, who is representing the office of His Holiness the Dalai Lama in Dharamsala, and the Abbot Gandhi Shatse Monastery, Rangjung Neljur Khandula, and other Tulku Rinpoches, Geshe Lakdorla, Director LTWA Dharamsala, and other monastic members, both monks and nuns, who are present here amongst us. And most respected Honorable Chief Minister, Government of Arunachal Pradesh, Shri Pema Khandula, and other political leaders who are present here, senior government officers, and most of all, both the foreign and national eminent scholars who have come here all the way for the conference, media friends, and ladies and gentlemen. This maiden international conference on the culture and historical significance of His Holiness the 6th Dalai Lama, Gyalwa Tsangyang Gyatso, or the Monpa Dalai Lama, has been a dream for the people of Monyul, particularly the people of Tawang, for a long time. I, for myself, even can't believe my eyes that today, here we have a galaxy of eminent scholars, both from India and abroad, who are very famous historians, researchers on the life story of 6th Dalai Lama in many renowned universities and institutions across the world. We are so fortunate and blessed today to have this dream come true finally in such magnanimity. Although there are many individuals who have worked very, very hard for this conference to come into being, but the most important was our Honorable Chief Minister, Sri Pema Khandula, without whose effort this conference might not have seen the day. Therefore, we all the workers under him for this conference are so grateful to him for contributing wholeheartedly, be it resource-wise, be it approach-wise, be it guidance-wise. For everything, we could rely on him. And we are so equally grateful to all the delegates who have come here in different capacities and positions despite many difficulties they faced. Without them, this maiden conference would have been just like any other conference. In fact, this is going to be an extraordinary conference or a unique conference in many ways that we will see in days to come, and I'm absolutely sure about it. Now, on the little sad parts, as we know that although the 6th Dalai Lama, Gyalwa Tsangyang Gyatso, was born in 1683 in Tawang, nearly 343 years ago, but in his own birthplace today in Tawang, Arunachal Pradesh, India, there is not much of activity or importance paid relating to him as compared to in Tibet, in Mongolia, in China, and now even in the Western world. In these countries, the gurlus or the Dharma songs composed by him are so popular that they sing every now and then and everywhere. And people take a lot of interest in the life story, be it the conventional biography or the hidden biography. Under such circumstances, to me, it only reminds me one of his gurlu or the Dharma song that goes as Norbu Rangla Yudi Norbi Nornya Machi Norbu Shen La Shodi Ninglong Te La Tansong. The meaning is, when the gem was with you, you did not understand its value. But when others have the same gem, you start regretting. In this way, the 6th Dalai Lama, Gyalwa Tsangyang Gyatso, had already predicted what was going to happen in Tawang in future and gave us the Mompas a lesson then. Unfortunately, we did not understand it. But now, after this conference, I am fully confident that our younger generations will surely take interest in the history related to 6th Dalai Lama in particular, and they will take interest in the Dalai Lama institution, and thereby they will surely pay attention in the wishes and advices of His Holiness the Great 14th Dalai Lama. We, the people of Tawang, sincerely and wholeheartedly remember the statement given by His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama on 2nd July this year from Dharamsala that the Dalai Lama institution will remain, and the Ganden Photang Trust, the office of the His Holiness Dalai Lama, will be the sole authority in recognizing the future reincarnations of Dalai Lama, and no one else has such authority. We, the people of Monpa people, also remember the advice given by His Holiness the Dalai Lama in Leh Ladakh this year on 12th July that in future the people of Himalayan region should take up the responsibilities in maintaining the Buddha Dharma, particularly the Nalanda tradition, Bögi Nangde. And for that, we assure you here today that we will follow and abide the valuable advices of His Holiness the Great 14th Dalai Lama. Lastly, I want to remind you that we have technical sessions of the conference from tomorrow onwards at Thupten Shedrubling Foundation in Tsangyang Gyatso Hall, which is around 2 kilometers away from here, on 4th, 5th, until 6th lunchtime. And on 6th afternoon, we have valedictory program here in Kalangpo Hall. Till then, thank you very much, everyone, and Tujiche.